Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. In this video, we're now going to look at essay type A and B together. I'm going to compare essay type A with essay type B so we can kind of get the big picture here. We know that the first paragraph for A is the introduction, and the last paragraph is the conclusion. And we know that the first body paragraph is the advantages, and the second body paragraph is the disadvantages, and we know that we're not giving an opinion in essay type A. This is what we said in the previous video. Let me give that same example. What are the advantages and disadvantages of recycling? All right. We know this is essay type A. Why? Because the question is of course saying give the advantage and disadvantage only, no opinion. Now let's look at B. Essay type B now. Almost very similar to A, but there is some slight difference here. And we're going to look at that right now. Some slight difference here. So essay type B, and again, as I said before, we have 5 different essay types, and you don't know which essay type you're going to get on the IELTS exam. You don't know which one. That's the point here. You want to really make sure that you're ready to identify which one you have so you know how to organize yourself. Now, essay type B, the difference here is that essay type B, the last sentence of the intro, there's an opinion. Here, essay type A, there's no opinion. Essay type B, there's an opinion. So that's the main difference here. No opinion in A, opinion in B. The essay type B, you're going to give the advantage and you're going to give the disadvantage. Now, here's the difference in the question. I'm going to use the same topic as I did in the example for essay type A, which is what are the advantages and disadvantages of recycling. We know that's what you're going to write about here. You're going to give the 2 advantages of recycling and 2 disadvantages because that's what the question wants you to write about, so that's what you have to do. So here in essay type B, do you agree or disagree with recycling? Sorry about that there. Now we see the topic is the same. The topic is the same. You're still going to give advantages of recycling and disadvantages of recycling. It's similar to A. The difference is you're going to give your opinion if you think recycling is good or bad. That is the main difference here between essay type A and B. Now, here you gave your opinion, but you're still going to give disadvantages of recycling. Now, also in essay type B, you're going to say your opinion here and the first sentence of the conclusion. You're going to restate the opinion. Sorry for the bad handwriting here, but I think you get the point. You're going to restate the opinion. So what you say here and what you say here, you're going to say the same thing, but of course you're not going to use the same words, right? So this is the main difference between essay type A and B. Many people get this confused on the IELTS exam. So essay type A, you're not giving your opinion, you're just giving the good and the bad about the topic. Essay type B, you're going to give the good and the bad about the topic, but you're also going to add in your opinion. All right, so I hope that was helpful. This is the big picture for essay type A and B. Have a good day.